we'll guide you through how to set up a Gmail shared inbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you are logged into the account that you want to use to create the shared inbox. Next, go to the top right corner and click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From there, choose See All Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. You need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Grant Access to Your Account. Click on Add Another Account. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to share the inbox with. Make sure that this person also has a Gmail account. Once you've entered the email address, click on Next Step and then Send Email to grant access. The person you've added will receive an email invitation, and they need to accept it to complete the process. After accepting, they will be able to access your Gmail inbox by clicking on their profile icon in the top right and selecting your email account from the drop-down list. Remember, they'll have access to read, send, and delete emails, so make sure you trust the person you're sharing with. If you ever need to revoke access, you can return to the same Accounts and Import tab and remove their email address from the list. This setup is a great way to collaborate with team members or manage multiple business accounts efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.